Happy morning children, a warm welcome to Sheba Group online class. Children, today we are going to write our English classwork. Come on, let's start our class. Children, everyone take your English classwork. We already written our classwork. I am again insisting everyone take 192 pages ruled English classwork. Students, already we have written our classwork. Again take a fresh page to write today classwork. Children, take your pencil and scale, sharp your pencil. We are going to draw two lines. Children, first line should be drawn on the margin. Leave the first line, draw this line, draw second line in this line. I am again insisting, draw two lines. Children, first line should be drawn on the margin. Leave this line and again draw a line in this line. Students, take your blue stick pens. Only write with the blue stick pen, children. It will make your handwriting neat and proper. So before that, whenever we are starting our classwork, we have to mention the date in the margin. The date is 14/9. Write neatly 14/9. Now we are going to write the name of the lesson. Lesson name, Robot Expo and Do It Yourself. So in the first line, write lesson Robot Expo and. In the next line, write Do It Yourself. Children, use capital letter for robot R, Expo E, capital. In Do It Yourself, use capital in D, I and Y. Now after writing the lesson name, we have to leave one line. Children, we are going to write the first Roman number, synonyms, 4 numbers. Synonyms, 4 numbers. So synonyms means meanings. Write Roman number in the margin neatly. Synonyms, 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 4. After writing the heading, leave one line. Write serial number 1 in the margin. Fry. The meaning is baby of a fish. Start with a capital letter. Spell and write. Fry, baby of a fish. BABY, baby of a fish. FISH. Baby of a fish na enna meaning? So மீன் குட்டிங்க. மீன் குட்டியை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Fries சொல்லுவோம். After writing the first one, leave one line. Write the serial number 2 in the margin. Angeling. Angeling. Fish with the rod and line. So angeling, fish with the rod and line. So angelingன்றது ஒரு type of fish. ஸோ அந்த ஃபிஷ்ஷை பார்த்திங்கன்னா எப்படி இருக்குன்னா அது மேலே கோடெல்லாம் போட்டிருக்கும், லைன்ஸெல்லாம் ட்ரா பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ பார்க்க பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். இட் இஸ் அ டைப் ஆஃப் ஃபிஷ். த ஃபிஷ் நேம் இஸ் ஏஞ்சலிங். ஆஃப்டர் ரைட்டிங் திஸ் சில்ட்ரன், you have to leave a line. Children, if you don't have a space to write in a same line, you may continue in the next line. So write neatly and clearly, children. Write 3 in the margin. Slicing, hyphen, cut into slices. Slicing, hyphen, cut into slices. So when we cut an apple, what happen ma? adana tundu tunda vandrum. Adha nama enna solrom? Slicing. Cut into slices. SLICES, slices. Cut into slices. After writing this, what we have to do? Yes, you are right. We have to leave one line for a neat and proper. So write 4 in the serial number in the margin. Cereals, meaning is grains used for food. Grains used for food. So பருப்பு வகைங்க எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க? சாப்பாட்டுக்கு. So grains used for food, that means cereals. So after completing this, children, you may draw a line with your sharp pencil and scale. Students, now we are going to write our second Roman letter, antonyms, 4 numbers. Children, if you have a space below the first Roman letter, you may continue or otherwise take a fresh page and write, children. So antonyms, ANTONYMS, antonyms. Write the serial number 2 in the margin. Start with a capital letter. Pronounce and write, children. After writing the heading, leave one line. Serial number 1 in the margin. Young, old. young, old, old, old. So young, old meaning ilamai, mudumai, ilamai, mudumai, young, old. After writing this, children, you have to leave one line. The first letter should be in capital. Remind that. 2 serial number in the margin. Love 8. Love 8. Give sufficient space and write, children, so that your note will look neat and proper. Love hate. Love hate. H-A-T-E, hate. Love na anbu, hate na veruppu. So after writing this, children, leave one line. 3 serial number in the margin. Clean, dirty. Clean, dirty. Clean, dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. So clean, சுத்தமாக இருக்கிறது. Dirty, அழுக்காக இருக்கிறது. So clean, dirty. After finishing this 3, leave one line. Write 4 serial number in the, yes, you are right, margin side. Friend, enemy. Friend, enemy. Friend, enemy. E-N-E-M-Y, enemy. Nanban, ediri. Friend, enemy. After completing the antonyms, now what we have to do, children? Yes, you are right. We are going to draw a line with our free hand. No, we have to use our scale and pencil so that it will look nice. Don't use your free hand. Just remind all the instructions properly. Students, now we are going to write the third Roman letter. Frame the sentences. 2 numbers. So write the third Roman letter in the margin. Frame the sentences. Keep finger gap and write the heading. Frame the sentences என்னம்மா, வாக்கியத்தில் அமைத்து எழுது. ஒரு வேர்டு கொடுத்துருவாங்க, அதை நம்ம சென்டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி எழுதணும். Clear, children? After writing the heading, leave one line. Write the serial number 1 in the margin. Before that, if you have a space, you can continue below the second Roman letter, children, or else start continue in a fresh page. So prepare. Write the serial number 1 in the margin. Prepare. Leave the rest of the line, children. After writing the word prepare, continue in the next line. Keep 2 finger gap and start writing the frame sentence for the word prepare. My mother prepared delicious food. My mother prepared delicious food. Full stop. At the end of every sentence, you have to keep full stop. Remind that, children. Pronounce and write. So prepared. எங்கள் அம்மா எனக்கு சூப்பராக சுவையான உணவு கொடுத்தாங்க, ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணாங்க, செஞ்சாங்க. அதுதான் இந்த சென்டென்ஸ் மீனிங். My mother prepared delicious food. So after writing this sentence, take your pencil, underline the word prepare with your scale and pencil. After writing this, leave one line. Write the serial number 2 in the margin. Swim. The word is swim. Swim என்னதுமா, நீச்சல் அடிக்கிறது. So swimming is a good exercise. Start in the next line, children. Keep 2 finger gaps. Swimming is a good exercise. Full stop. Underline the word swimming with your pencil and scale. After finishing this, draw a line with your pencil and scale. After the third Roman letter, frame the sentence. We are going to write the answer the following 4 numbers. So after writing frame sentence, again I am insisting, if you have a space, you may continue, or else take a fresh page and write. So write the 4th Roman letter in the margin. Answer the following. Give finger gap and write 4 numbers. After writing the heading, leave one line. For now, we are going to write the first question. Write the serial number 1 in the margin. Now start the letter with the capital. Where did Anita go? Question mark. Where did Anita go? Question mark. After writing the question, leave one line. We are going to write the answer. Mention answer in the margin side, children. And now take your pencil. Keep 2 finger gap. Draw the star to make your note neat. To represent your note neat, you may draw this star with your pencil. Now we are going to write the answer. Anita went to the robot expo. For this robot expo, you have to do the apostrophes. Clear children? Mal apostrophes podano. Keep finger gap and write, and keep full stop after writing the first question. Again I am repeating. Anita went to the apostrophe robot expo, closing apostrophe and full stop. After finishing the first question, for a neat representation, you have to draw a line with your pencil and scale. Now we are going to write the second question. Write 2 serial number in the margin. Start with capital letter, and whenever you are writing the name Anita, you have to mention A in a capital because it is a naming word. So for Anita, you have to use capital, children. Let me read this question, and come on, read along with me. Pronounce and write, children. What did Anita eat in the expo? Question mark. What did Anita eat in the expo? Question mark. What we have to do now? After writing this, you have to leave one line. Answer in the margin side. Keep 2 finger gaps whenever you are writing your answer. Remind that, children, you have to keep 2 finger gaps. Take your pencil, sharp your pencil, draw this small star, and now we are going to write the answer. Anita, A in capital, ate an omelette. Anita ate an omelette. Full stop. After writing, draw a line with your pencil and scale. Children, now we are going to write the third question. Write serial number 3 in the margin. Who sews the cloth? Question mark. U in U, W should be in capital. Yes, you are right. Who sews the cloth? Question mark. After writing the question, what we have to do? Yes, you are right. We have to leave one line for our neat presentation, and then write the answer in the margin. Keep 2 finger gaps. Now take your pencil, sharpen it. Draw this little star. Now we are going to write the answer. Alia sews the cloth. Alia is the name, so we have to start with the capital letter. Alia sews the cloth. Write neatly, children. Pronounce and write. Keep finger gap and write, and then keep full stop. After finishing this third question, draw a line for a neat presentation. Number 4, we have to write in the margin side. Let me read the questions for you. What does Meghalai do with elders? Question mark. What does Meghalai do with elders? For Meghalai, M should be in capital, and for what, it is the first letter of the word. So we have to begin with the capital letter. After writing the question, leave one line. If you don't have a sufficient space to write the question, you may continue in the next line. It doesn't matter. So leave one line. Write the answer in the margin. Remind that. Keep 2 finger gap. Draw a small star with your pencil. Now we are going to proceed with the answer. Meghalai swims with elders. Full stop. Meghalai swims with elders. Full stop. After completing all the question and answers, check the spellings whether you have written rightly or wrongly. Check it and write. Cover your question with your pencil and scale. At last, it is a must one to write your parent's sign, and don't forget to get your parent's signature. Dear children, I hope everyone understand how to write your English classwork neatly and how to present your classwork neatly. So remind all the instructions and spell and write, children. Thank you. Have a great day.